Okay, here's your motor. What I'm going to do, I had already drained the gas out of it and got it ready for winter. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of gas to it, fire it up for you, then I'll drain the gas back out. What you do is you add a little bit of fuel, run it, and then you can drain the fuel back out of the gas tank, and then just run it until it runs out of the fuel inside the carburetor, and that'll drain all the fuel out. To start the engine, I haven't put any fuel in it yet, but you'll go ahead and you'll lift this knob up all the way up. You'll pull the choke out. Okay, once it's running, you push the choke back in. That just stays up. To shut it off, you just push that down. Okay, there's the pull start. I'll fire it up here for you in a minute. To fill the oil, you got your oil fill right here. I believe this is your drain hole down here on the bottom. So I'll be running it for a minute, and I'll drain the fuel back out for you. I'm going to drain the oil, so be sure you add oil to it before you fire it up when you get it. And do me a favor, please leave me feedback on eBay, because I'm a new seller. eBay has not released your money to me. They're holding it. It shows that I have a balance, but it's not available. Basically, once you leave me feedback, they'll release the money to me. So I'm being stuck paying out of pocket all the shipping costs as well. So please leave me feedback right away. Anyway, let's see. As you can see, there's some snow and ice on the grass, so it's pretty cold out here. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get it going here. Alright. Gas cap. Just regular 87, nothing special. Just drain it back out. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the run. Pull the choke out. It is cold, so you know, I don't have anything to hold this engine down. As you can see, fired right up. Shut it off. I'm going to drain the gas back out, right back into the gas can here. I'll just pull this out. Put the gas right back in. Just pick up the motor. Turn it upside down. Pour it right back in the gas can. Now there should be a little bit of fuel still left in the engine. Hopefully it'll just fire right back up. And then I'll run the gas out of the carburetor as well. And we'll pull the choke back out. Put it back to run. Hold my foot on the engine. as you can see, it runs for quite a while with just the fuel that's in the gas tank. So I'm just going to let it run out of gas again, and that'll warm up the engine enough for me to drain the oil. It's out of gas. So now what I'm going to do is just turn the engine to the off position right here. Okay, and I'm going to drain the oil out. I'm going to put it in a box and ship it off to you. Please remember to put oil in it before you start this thing up and leave me positive feedback. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new motor.